accidents, insurance fraud, and mystery scratches. One camera just doesn't cut it anymore. To truly protect your vehicle, you need eyes everywhere. I've tested and reviewed the top models on the market to bring you the 5 best 3-channel dash cams for total peace of mind. Let's dive in. WOLFBOX X5. Unveil the ultimate road guardian with the WOLFBOX X5 3-channel dash cam. This premium in-car system boasts the latest Sony IMX678 Starvis 2 sensor, delivering stunning 4K front 1080-pixel interior and 2.5K rear video quality. With lightning-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and pinpoint GPS, file sharing, and navigations are a snap. The sleek touchscreen and voice command system with 12 functions let you take control effortlessly. Whether it's loop recording, time-lapse, or parking mode, the X5 ensures non-stop vigilance. Elevate your drive with the X5 dashcam, your journey's safeguard today and every day. Number 4. 70mm 4K dashcam. This 4K dashcam front and interior offers great performance for its price. The 4K HDR front camera records clear footage both day and night, while the interior camera captures the cabin well without glare. Low-light recording is significantly improved compared to previous dashcams. It has easy setup, fast video transfers with Wi-Fi 6, built-in GPS, loop recording, and 24-hour parking surveillance. It comes with a 64GB card for immediate use. The camera is well-built, the app is user-friendly, and it remains stable on rough roads. Highly recommended for reliable coverage. At number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro 3 channel is a tier dashcam featuring 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p interior recordings. It utilizes flagship Sony Starvis 2 sensors with HDR on all 3 channels, ensuring crisp low-light performance. It also includes dual-band Wi-Fi, quad-mode GPS, and voice control. The inside camera makes use of a Sony Starvis sensor and superior HDR technology to capture the full cabin view clearly and without overexposure. The camera's built-in IR light sensor activates its 4 infrared LED lights when it detects low light conditions in the car interior, allowing it to record sharp black and white image details even in complete darkness. Coming up at number 2. Vantrue new N4S. I've been using the Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam for a while now, and I'm very impressed with its overall quality. The video clarity is excellent during both daytime and nighttime driving, and the Starvis 2 night vision really makes a difference when it comes to capturing license plates and road details in low light. One of my favorite features is the 3-channel recording. Having front, rear, and inside coverage provides a great deal of peace of mind, especially when parked or driving in heavy traffic. The interior camera is surprisingly clear without being distracting. Setup was straightforward, and the Wi-Fi features make it easy to review footage and track trips. The footage looks sharp, smooth, and reliable, and the parking mode adds an extra layer of security for the car. Overall, this feels like a premium dashcam system that's worth the investment. If you want strong video quality, full coverage, and dependable protection while driving, the Vantrue N4S is an excellent choice. And number 1, REDTIGER F17 4K dashcam. Elevate your driving experience with the REDTIGER 3-channel dashcam. Capture the road in stunning 4K, monitor the cabin in 25K, and enjoy enhanced night vision for comprehensive coverage. Stay connected with upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, and protect your vehicle with triple parking monitoring. Equipped with a supercapacitor and backed by an 18-month warranty, this 3-channel dashcam provides uninterrupted operation and reliable after-sales support for a worry-free journey. Additionally, the package includes a free 64GB microSD card and all necessary accessories for easy installation. Remember, the road is full of surprises. Don't let the unexpected cost you. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like if I helped you pick your next dashcam, and I'll see you on the next drive.